ready, start. The equation of defense is your defense forces plus your industrial and technological background plus thirdly the economy of the country and fourthly the spirit of the people. Full stop. Looking at the countries of the world, there are only two at the present moment, which may be termed from the military point of view absolutely in the front rank. Full stop. There are many other countries in between. Full stop. Where do we come in the picture? Question mark. Here we are backward technologically and industrially, and yet except for Japan probably more industrialized at the present moment than any other country in Asia. Full stop. I am leaving out the Soviet territories and even in regard to China, which is making great progress. I think it may well be said that at the present moment we are somewhat in advance in some ways industrially considered, certainly not in a military way. Full stop. They have a huge army. Full stop. We have a relatively small army. Full stop. But I am talking about industrial development and not of other matters. Full stop. Para. We belong therefore to the so-called underdeveloped countries, though more advanced in some matters. Full stop. Take atomic energy. Full stop. Probably we are in the first half a dozen countries of the world or somewhere near that. Full stop. I do not exactly know. It is difficult to say. Full stop. We are certainly not among the first three or four. Full stop. We are in the next rank. Full stop. Para. An honorable member, I am told, said here, what is the good of your 5-year plans? Question mark. You must concentrate on defense. Full stop. That is a grave statement to make. Full stop. But the 5-year plan is the defense plan of the country. Full stop. What else is it? Question mark. Because defense does not consist in people going about marching up and down the road with guns and other weapons. Full stop. Defense consists today in a country being industrially prepared for producing the goods and equipment of defense. Full stop. The right approach to defense is to avoid having unfriendly relations with other countries. Full stop. Some honorable members in this house who talk in rather aggressive terms of neighboring countries and want to take brave action sword in hand serve no cause, certainly not the cause of this country. Full stop. It is one thing for us to be perfectly prepared because however peaceful our policy might be, no responsible government can take the risk of an emergency arising which it cannot face. Full stop. This we have to keep in mind at all times. Full stop. Para. Then we come to the second aspect. Full stop. The strength of a country develops by industrial growth, which implies the capacity to make weapons of war for the army, the navy, or the force. Full stop. You cannot develop an isolated industry without a general background of industrial development. Full stop. You cannot have a factory producing tanks in the absence of other industrial development in the country. Full stop. A factory producing aircraft can be erected only if there is a large supply of technically trained people. Full stop. Therefore, our immediate object should be both from the point of view of economic development and that of defense to build up industry, heavy industry in particular. Full stop. The criticism may be justified that we ought to have started thinking in these terms even earlier, full stop. But the point is that we are at least today thinking in terms of building up heavy industry, iron and steel, machine making plants, and production of oil, full stop. Take this business of oil, full stop. Most of your machines will become completely useless without oil to run them, full stop. If we do not produce enough oil in this country, well, the big machines get tied up, full stop. There will be nothing to run them with, full stop. Para. Now we come up against a grave difficulty, full stop. Let us admit for the moment that we are proceeding along right lines, those right lines being the industrialization of the country, which is good from the economic point of view as well as for defense, full stop. But industrialization takes time, full stop. Para. What will happen before you are strong enough, question mark? You may get knocked down in the course of the next 10 years, full stop. And all you saying we are not ready for an attack will not prevent the enemy from attacking you, full stop. This is a difficult problem that every country has to face to balance immediate danger with consideration of better security later on, full stop. If you think too much in terms of immediate danger and concentrate on it, the result will be that you never get strong enough tomorrow and the day after, full stop. Your resources are being spent not in productive ways, not in the growth of real strength, but in temporary strength which you buy or borrow from others, full stop. You get a machine from outside, full stop. You use it and it does give you some temporary assurance, although it is not very great, full stop. But as I told you, if some part goes wrong, you are helpless, full stop. And this difficulty has become even more real for us because of recent developments, more especially the military aid that has come in fairly considerable quantity to our neighbor country, full stop. I do not think that there is likelihood of war, full stop, overall.